Haïti sacré dire. Honoring et magnifying Haïti boti. On project a team. Haïti sacré dire a groupe dedicated to botifying Haïti on project a team through philanthropic action. The group consists of 5 women indignant cause. The 5 women are symbolic to antenna of Hibiscus floe. Hibiscus floe represent group because Hibiscus is national floe of Haïti. Oui ta solide concrete stand on their chosen project to women invite women to help et achieve their identifié mission. The full governing body of Haïti sacré dire consist of 9 members, 5 women and 4 men. All members are volunteer committed to the cause of botifying Haïti through Prima initiative. 1. Self-project. To ensure the success of the group is essential to work on ourselves spiritually. Collectively, the work on self-love, compassion for humanity and appreciation of nature glory. The group spiritual aspect also focuses on effort greatest and highest good. Of all involved. Our individual group intention is to always have a focus on showing, sharing and honoring Haïti boti through good action. 2. Green Project. Deforestation in Haiti a severe environmental problem in Haiti. Etienne burn wood charcoal for 60% of their domestic energy production. In 1923 over 60% of Haiti land was forested. In 2006, less than 2% of the land was forested. Following Haitian Revolution, the government forced to export un through good 19th century to pay off a 90 million francs indemnity to France. The rapid deforestation of Haiti began during the colonial period, and was intensified when coffee was introduced in 1730. Upland forest was cleared en 50 years later, a quarter of the colony land was under coffee. Ref. Wiki. Statistic above only scratch the surface. Deforestation is much bigger now and will continue to grow if no address. Through Haïti sacré dire Green Project Haïti y Green on Project a team. The achieved through teaching individual in the local community how to make and green in their community. Identify community leader WHO char en appreciation for boti en moté nature to grow, small, medium or large garden. The work with the landscape architect to plan out the face of the garden. Education is a big component to the effort. The how to compost, how to preparing the land and train the community about the nature of the plant and treat will be working within their garden. Garden plans en components armades available to community to replicate. 3. Future project. The median age was 25 years with an average age of 27 years. People aged 15 ans ont counted for ugly a tier of the population. Overall, 52.7% of the population was female. The future of Haiti reside with the youth. The education of the youth start with the mote. Due to the fact the focus on uplifting the women in the community through self-empowerment. The best way to empower women is to improve and promote their self-worth. A community require different aspects of empowerment, one community might have an essential need for health hygiene and not might require business education. The keeped motor to mote their youth and the community youth. The believe all women have the potential to mote. The women to connect to their innate maternal nature to help build a strong and solid future for Haiti. After take a large group of children overlap to a mote or bot parents. Like African proverb Achille of Everion. Moins sudaneuse proverbe instita concept into our future project plan. All member of Haïti sacré dire work with an elder mentor and mentor a youth. To honor aspect of past, procès futur.